Eggplants, also known as aubergines, are a staple in gardens and kitchens around the world. Their glossy, vibrant fruits are not only beautiful but also incredibly versatile in a range of dishes, from classic Mediterranean recipes to spicy Asian curries. But if you're a gardener looking to make the most out of your growing season, you might be wondering, which eggplant varieties should you choose for maximum productivity? In this guide from SMART-AGRI Hub, we'll reveal the top 5 most productive eggplant varieties, each known for their high yields, resilience, and outstanding flavor. Whether you're an experienced grower or just starting your gardening journey, these varieties will help ensure a bountiful harvest. Let's begin with our number 5 pick, the Ping Tung Long eggplant. Originating from Taiwan, Ping Tung Long is famous for its slender, elongated fruits that can reach up to 12 inches in length. The deep lavender skin is both tender and thin, making it perfect for stir-fries, grilling, and roasting. But what truly sets Ping Tung Long apart is its prolific nature. This variety is known to produce dozens of fruits from a single plant, often continuing to set new flowers and fruits throughout the summer. Its compact growth habit makes it ideal for small gardens and container growing, and it's also resistant to many common eggplant diseases. Gardeners love Ping Tung Long for its mild, sweet flavor and ability to thrive in both hot and humid conditions, making it a top choice for those looking to maximize their harvest. Moving on to number 4, the Black Beauty eggplant. If you've ever strolled through a grocery store or local farmer's market, you've likely seen the iconic Black Beauty. This heirloom variety has been a staple in North American gardens for over a century, and for good reason. Black Beauty produces large, glossy, deep purple fruits that can weigh up to 2 pounds each. The plants are robust and bushy, often yielding a steady supply of eggplants throughout the growing season. Not only is Black Beauty renowned for its productivity, but it also boasts excellent flavor, with a creamy texture that's perfect for baking, frying, and grilling. Its adaptability to a wide range of soil types and climates means that even beginner gardeners can achieve impressive results. For those seeking a classic, reliable eggplant variety with generous yields, Black Beauty remains a perennial favorite. At number 3, we have the Ichiban eggplant. This Japanese hybrid is celebrated for its early and abundant fruit set, often outperforming other varieties in terms of both quantity and speed. Ichiban produces slender, glossy, dark purple fruits that typically grow between 6 and 8 inches long. One of its key advantages is its ability to set fruit even in cooler conditions, extending your eggplant harvest well into the early fall. The thin skin and tender flesh mean there's no need for peeling, and its mild, almost sweet flavor is a hit in a variety of dishes. Ichiban plants are compact and well-suited to container gardening, making them an excellent choice for those with limited space. With consistent care, you can expect to harvest dozens of fruits per plant, keeping your kitchen stocked all season long. Now, let's highlight our number 2 pick, the Rosa Bianca eggplant. If you're searching for a variety that combines productivity with exceptional beauty, Rosa Bianca is hard to beat. This Italian heirloom is prized for its round, plump fruits with a stunning blend of lavender and white coloring. But it's not just a pretty face. Rosa Bianca is also one of the most productive varieties you can grow. The fruits are typically medium to large in size, with a creamy, mild flesh that is virtually free from bitterness. Gardeners love this variety not only for its visual appeal, but also for its ability to set fruit reliably, even in less than ideal conditions. With a little care, Rosa Bianca can yield a continuous supply of flavorful eggplants from midsummer right through to the first frost. It's perfect for roasting, grilling, or making traditional Italian dishes like caponata and eggplant parmesan. And finally, our top pick for the most productive eggplant variety is the Kamo eggplant. Hailing from Japan, Kamo is renowned for its incredible yield, resilience, and outstanding culinary qualities. This variety produces small, round to oval fruits with glossy, deep purple skin and a delicate, almost creamy texture. What makes Kamo truly exceptional is its ability to set fruit continuously throughout the season, often outpacing other varieties in terms of total harvest. The plants themselves are vigorous and disease-resistant, making them a great choice for organic and low-input gardens. Como eggplants are highly prized by chefs for their tender flesh and subtle sweet flavor, perfect for grilling, tempura, or simmered in broths. Its compact size also makes it ideal for urban gardeners and those working with limited space. To get the most out of these productive eggplant varieties, there are a few key tips to keep in mind. First, eggplants thrive in warm, sunny locations with well-draining soil. Before planting, enrich the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to give your plants a nutrient boost. Space your eggplants adequately to ensure good air circulation, which helps prevent disease. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry spells, but be careful not to overwater, as soggy soil can lead to root rot. Mulching can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Eggplants are heavy feeders, so consider side dressing with a balanced fertilizer every few weeks to encourage continuous flowering and fruit set. Keep an eye out for common pests like flea beetles and aphids, and use organic controls or physical barriers if needed. Regularly harvesting your eggplants when they're young and glossy, rather than waiting for them to become overly large or dull, will encourage your plants to keep producing new fruits. By choosing one or more of these top 5 productive varieties, Pingtung Long, Black Beauty, Ichiban, Rosa Bianca, and Como, you'll be well on your way to enjoying a season full of delicious, homegrown eggplants. Whether you're cooking up a hearty ratatouille, savoring grilled eggplant with olive oil, or experimenting with new recipes, these varieties will ensure your kitchen is never short of fresh, flavorful produce. Thank you for joining us at SMART-AGRI Hub as we explored the most productive eggplant varieties for your garden. With a little planning and care, you'll be amazed at just how much these remarkable plants can yield. Happy gardening, and may your harvests be abundant.